Hey guys, just wanna show you guys this look for Valentine's Day. You could wear this look wherever you want, or if you want to stay home too, you could wear it for fun and beat your face just for fun of it. And yeah, this is the look I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and turn on your notification. Don't forget to share my video, please. Yeah, that would mean so much to me. Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm going to start off with the Dose of Color, the Kiss of Fire. I'm going to put that in my inner corner and outer corner and drag it to my crease. And please ignore the other eyelash. I have a glue. It looks kind of like white, but it's supposed to be clear. Ignore that, please. I'm going to fix that at the end, you'll see. So go ahead and get your brush and just blend that color very good. Make sure you work very fast because it will dry out. It's a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to just go ahead and blend that very well. So I'm gonna get the Sahara 2 by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna put this color that looks this color called Zara. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and outer corner and on bottom my lashes, and I'm gonna blend that really good in my outer corner and inner corner. And I'm gonna get the next color. It's called Fez. I'm gonna put that right on top of the other color, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner and outer corner and bottom lash, and I'm gonna blend that very well. And then next I'm gonna get my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Black Truffle and put that in my inner corner and outer corner, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease. So make sure you blend these colors very good because you don't want to see any harsh lines into your crease. So I left that little spot right in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna put some other color right in there. So just blend and blend until your hand falls off or your fingers falls off. Blend that well, and now I'm gonna get the color Shy and put that right on the top of right close to my brow bone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that so I don't have that weird harsh on my crease. Blend that very well. So next I'm gonna get my brush and I'm gonna get this color. It's kind of like a teal color. I'm gonna put that in the description box, and I'm just gonna spray my brush and put that where I left that little space in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna fill that up with this beautiful color I am just in love with. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it. And next I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild black liner, and I'm gonna just drag it and create that nice laying look in my eye. And then I'm just gonna go extra on it, fix it up a little bit. Next I'm gonna get the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and put it on my top lashes and my bottom lashes, so my lashes will stick on really good. And next I'm gonna get the Stila. This color is cream color. It's called Tapaz, and I'm gonna put it inside my waterline, and then I'm gonna clean up my makeup. I'm gonna clean up the fallout, and then there you go. Thanks for watching. Be me, alright?
Blindfolded people.
Okay, even if you guys were blindfolded, you probably